You haven't seen pudding like this before. Once you make it, you'll want to keep making it. Let's start in a saucepan by adding 400 milliliters of milk, then 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and then mix everything very well with the heat still off. Next, add 5 tablespoons of powdered milk. Also add 400 grams of sour cream and 395 grams of condensed milk. Now we just turn on the heat, keep it at medium temperature, and mix everything very well until it starts to thicken. When it's like this, it's at the ideal point. You can now turn off the heat and cover it with plastic so it doesn't form a film, and we're going to leave it until it cools down. In another pan, we're now going to add 1 cup of sugar. We're going to mix very well until the sugar melts and turns into a caramel. Then add 1.5 cups of water. Let's stir again until this caramel is very smooth. When it's shiny like this, it's at the ideal point. We just have to take it and we'll spread it over a platter. Okay, now all we need to do is pour our cream on top. All done. Now let's put it in the freezer until it hardens. I'm going to add a little more of our caramel sauce on top, guys. If you don't want to, you don't have to. Just cut it and enjoy. Look at this, guys, how amazing this ice cream pudding is. Super quick, easy, and delicious. Give it a try at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another recipe from Pour in the Kitchen. Big hugs. See you next time, and thanks.